Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mrs. Sophia Suhail is here. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today's my topic of this video is successive differentiation or taking the higher derivative. Okay, I'm taking this topic from the unit number two of class 12, and exercise will be connected. That will be exercise 2.7. Okay, for taking the higher derivative or successive differentiation, one thing you must be clear: how to find out the derivative of a function properly. How to find out. Now you must know about the power rule. Okay, power rule for differentiation. You must know about the product rule for differentiation. You must know about the quotient rule. Quotient rule about the differentiation. You must know about the trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Derivative of that. Derivative of trigonometric functions. You must know about the derivative of trigonometric inverse function. You must know about the derivative of hyperbolic functions, and hyperbolic inverse function, and the last one is exponential and log function, natural log function. Derivative of that you must know. What are the normal derivative of them? If you have not done all of these before, you can check my previous videos. I have explained each and every rule in detail. Then we can go to our topic for different successive differentiation, okay, or higher derivative. If you know that how to find out the derivative for the first time, then you can find out the second derivative and the third derivative and the fourth derivative and onward. Okay, so for the first thing is you must know how to find out the first derivative. So the first derivative, I'm repeating my words again. You must know power rule, product rule, quotient rule, trigonometric functions, inverse of that, hyperbolic of that, hyperbolic inverse of that, and exponential, log, and natural log functions. Okay. So before going to the detailed topic, you must subscribe my channel, please. Okay. I will start from the easy example, then I will go to the next questions. Question number 1 I have selected, and the given function is very easy, that y is equal to 2x power 5 minus 3x4 plus 4x cube plus x minus 2. Okay, so differentiate with respect to the variable involved. So we can write differentiate with respect to x because x is involved. So d by dx on this side and d by dx on this complete expression. Hopefully you can write it. Okay, now apply the derivative on this complete expression, that as I'm speaking I can write that also. Okay, this is simple polynomial. On the simple polynomial, when each term have only one variable, so you can apply the power rule. Okay, power rule means power will be written in the start. 2 is the coefficient already here. So when power is written in the start, it will multiply by the previously present coefficient x. Okay, power you have written in the start, and then power minus 1, then derivative of the variable without power minus, again you can write power in the start, 3x power minus 1, and derivative of the function without power. Here I write power here with variable, here I write power here before coefficient. So both the ways are okay. You can write in any way, okay, but you must make sure that these two numbers are multiplying to each other. Okay, because mostly the students stay confused which one number will be written in the start. So both the formations are perfectly all right. Plus, plus. The next this term will go power in start 4x power minus 1 and derivative of the function without power plus its power is 1. So writing 1 in the start, writing 1 minus 0, it's no use. Directly you can keep in mind that derivative of x you are taking, so it will be 1 minus the derivative of the constant will be 0 equals to, next line I am writing with the blue pen now, this is dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equals to 2 5s are 10 x 4, this is getting 1 minus 4 3s are 12 x power 3 plus 3 4s are 12 3 4s are 12 x square plus 1. At this step the derivative of this given polynomial or given expression is done. Okay, you can write, when your derivative is completely done, you can write as y1, because in the question it is written y2. Y2 means the derivative of y, so it is equal to d square y by dx whole square. So any formation can be asked, y2, this one or this one, both are same. Sometimes it's written like f of x derivative is written like this and second derivative written like this. So any formation you can take, or sometime this also can be written. So there are so many different ways of writing this second derivative. Now first derivative is done. Second derivative we will take on first derivative, means derivative of y1 equals to derivative of the given expression which we have solved. Okay, now we will take its derivative. As I am going to take the next derivative, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now when power will come in the start, so this will multiply together. I am going a little bit on faster pace now. 4 tens are 40 power minus 1 and derivative of this x will become 1. Whether you want to write, you can write also, minus this will 3 12s are 36 x 3 minus 1 power minus 1 and derivative of this function will be 1 plus 2 12s are 24 x 2 minus 1 and derivative of this function will be 1 plus 0, derivative of constant is 0. Now check that derivative of the y1 will be changed to y2, then y2 is equals to 40 x cube minus 36 x square plus 24 x. This is completely solved. You can keep your expression as it is also, and until if you are being asked to change into the some specific type of the expression, then you can change also, because the coefficient, all of the coefficient have the even multiple are the even multiple, and x cube x square x, you can take x common also. So x common and maximum, which number can be common? 4 I think common. 4 tens are 40 x square minus 4 nines are 36 x plus 4 6 are 24. So this can also be a perfect derivative for the given function. So if you understand this derivative properly, so then we can go to the next formation. Here only in this complete expression, what we have done only the power rule. Okay, we apply only the power rule. This was the easiest part I have taken, and I have solved it in the proper detail form. Okay, then we will go to the next function. Next function we can go that if there is a whole power, then how we can continue that one. Second part of the question number 1 of same exercise 2.7 I am starting. Did I write 2.7 or 2.6 in the reference? Yeah, 2.7 exercise. of class 12. So the question is that y is given as 2x plus 5 whole power 3 by 2. You have to find out y2. So what we can do, take the first derivative, d by dx of y equals d by dx of the given function. Whole power means first we will apply power rule for the whole function, okay? So power in start, power minus 1 and derivative of the function under the power, okay? So 3 by 2, 2x plus 5 whole, 3 by 2 minus 1, so 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, 1, divide by 2. Or you can do the 3 by 2 minus 1 or 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 minus 1 or 5 by 2 plus 1 in detail, and you can keep on solving that and check what could be your answer. Okay, as I'm just giving it a short assignment for you guys, as you guys are doing the maths for it's equally this maths is equally used in A levels also and class 12 also. Okay, now derivative of the first function, derivative of 2x means derivative 2 will remain as it is, x derivative 1, constant function 0. So this becomes 3 by 2 and power become 1 by 2 and this function is 2. Here at this point this 2 can be cancelled with this 2 and our answer is left 3 2x plus 5 whole 1 by 2, that is the first derivative, and first derivative can be written as y1. Now what I will do, I will take the derivative again, dy by dx, d by dx of y1, d by dx on the given function, that is 3 times 2x plus 5 with the power 1 by 2 complete. Y1 will change to y2, second derivative, and this is coefficient will coming in the start. Here we will apply the power rule, okay, but till here it will be applied. This is we have written in the start. Power in start, power minus 1 and derivative of the function inside the power, that is 2x plus 5. This becomes 3 by 2, 2x plus 5, 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2. Half minus 1, negative half. Derivative of this again 2 times 1 plus 0. So this will change to 3 by 2. This is negative half. If I bring it down, means in the denominator form, from the numerator if I am shifting in the denominator, its power will become plus 1 by 2. And plus 1 by 2 is written as positive square root. Okay. This is left 2 ones are 2. This and this can be cancelled and your answer, final answer can be 3 over 2x plus 5 square root. This is the second derivative, and I think that here you can stop your differentiation. This is the required, this could be the required function which you can express in the last. Okay, thank you so much. If you like my method, so please like my video and please subscribe to my channel, because I'm checking that more than unique viewers are more than 1000, but they are not subscribing my channel. So please subscribe. Obviously it gives the positive appreciation for the teacher who is making the lecture for you guys. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.